Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Ford from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 7th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, obviously, traders and investors love the idea of a split Congress because after those election results last night, U.S. equities just went on a run today. A huge surge. The Dow finished higher by 545 points. The S&P 500 adding 58 points, while the Nasdaq gaining almost 200 points. It was up 194, and you can see finishing the day near session highs, and the Russell gaining another 26 points today. So a huge move for equities. Now, obviously, there will be some overhead resistance after this drop, but it'll be interesting to see if for the rest of the week we can continue this run. The bond market was fairly flat. The yield on the 10-year edging up slightly. It finished the day at 3.228%. Crude continues to drop. Another rise in stockpiles and another drop for crude, dropping about 60 cents at the official close, or almost 1% today. And gold seeing a bit of a bounce here. It was higher, finished the day higher by about $1, so not that big of a deal. But that was mostly due to some weakness on the dollar. And you can see we made back a good portion of that earlier drop today, but still finished shy of yesterday's close. Now, another piece of interesting news today, aside from those election results, coming out of the White House, surprise announcement that Attorney General Jeff Sessions, who has always been completely against legalization of marijuana, he was let go today. He was forced out. And from when that announcement hit, which was about 3 p.m. Eastern or so, we saw a surge in the cannabis sector. The biggest beneficiary was Tilray, TLRY, surging over 30%. Look at that move today, moving right back above that 20-period moving average. Now, again, running into some overhead resistance here. But, that news, opens up the possibility, at least, of nationwide legalization. And that's what the sector, is really hoping for. Canopy growth, another one that has recently been beat up a little here and trying to rally today, gaining over 8% on that news. So that's another sector to keep on your watch list. These are two of the big players in that, and so we'll see where those take us. But a lot of news to digest today. Certainly a great reaction by the equity markets to the elections, and now it's time to let things settle down and then start looking once again for those individual trade setups. We'll have a lot more in the days ahead, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.